Oh, it's here.
Oh, that's right. It's in the glove box.
But I clean this frequently, but the trees.
One
Buy
day.
a house with a garage. Don't do what I did.
Oh.
This is the accessory belt. So that's power steering, AC compressor.
Yep. Hair.
Jealous? You see that? There's like getting oil or something.
Oh
right
my
there.
god. Oh yeah.
So that's what you put your socket on. It's a 19 mil, and you just use a breaker bar. I guess I just have to reach down there and pull the belt off. We have to memorize how it's on there first. So it's basically just one big loop, but it's pinched in the middle.
Mm. And that is why you replace your belts. And unfortunately, putting it on is probably going to be much more difficult.
So they're around the bottom of those two, and it pinches in the middle here. So those are both on. You can see this and this one are both on the inside.
Yes.
We're outside the alternator, and then I'm going to stick the breaker bar back on this.
Right.
And then loop this around. It's not quite on all the way.
Hooray!
Scream if it looks like horrible things are happening.
Of course. We did a thing. Well, you did a thing. I watched. So we went back to Advanced Auto.
Why are you talking? This is my show.
Oh.
So I went back to Advanced Auto Parts and we got some more oil. We got some rust encapsulator. We got one of these, just in case I ever do brakes again.
Hint, hint.
Shut up. So we also got this funnel because some guy said that we need one of these to do an oil change in the MR2. And it was $5, so I was like, fuck it.
We're about to find out anyway.
And then a little baby breaker bar, an extension, a longer half-inch breaker bar for no reason whatsoever. Bring me like a Phillips head and probably 10 mil. Gotta go to the shed and get the one with the black handle. That one's stripped.
Fuck. Okay, well, now that I've successfully located the small wrench, we can get to work. Yeah. Oh.
Shut up.
Oh. Beautiful. Is our objective in sight?
Let's check the wheels. So now they're resting on the jack stand.
Still high enough? What do you think?
Yeah. I think it should be higher. No, just pass me the 10 mil. It's interesting that they would have like a little access port just for the oil drain plug when you still need to take this whole fucking thing out to get to the filter. I'm gonna jack the car. I absolutely can't tilt it any more forward and then it just breaks free. Now for the much easier part. Oh, bruh.
This one's what I'm stupid.
Okay, breaker bar. That's why I bought this.
Yay, I'm glad we bought that.
Oh, let's see if they've tightened this on with a wrench or not. Nope.
Oh. See, that was actually easy.
Yeah. Look at this oil dripping now.
Wow.
See that? Now that the diaper's off, the flywheel is exposed. Probably gonna put the diaper back on. Also, this is super oily. I wonder if it's coming from above or if it's leaking from here. Ooh, wait, that feels good. Oh yeah, this one here good. Okay, so we're done under here.
You're doing great.
Thanks, Mom. Bring me the snippies.
I shall.
Snippies.
Nice.
That's the end of the technique. Just kidding, we gotta put the oil back. Oh!
Now we know why we need a bendy funnel.
Hey, stop it. So this is why we need a bendy funnel.
Oh, you just broke it, didn't you?
If you had two 20-year-old Japanese cars, you too would have bag zip ties. Oh. I'm just trying to get it on it. Shut up.
It took way longer. Oh my god. Maybe it's the funnel.
Well, I guess it's a good thing we got this other funnel.
Oh.
The airflow sensor isn't
Sensing
sensing
air.
any airflow. It's like, there's no air at all.
And we might as well just wait till we get our air filter. Tomorrow. Okay, it's been 2 seconds.
Oh, praise the baby Jesus.
At least it's not full of seeds anymore. You can do it.
Oh, but I have to undo that in order to get the thing down over the thing. Oh.
Remember we were praising Hyundai for having such an easy way to replace your air filter?
Of course, you know, this is like sick side air intake, so.
Yeah, that is true.
Beautiful.
Hooray!
I want to make sure I can not slam the car down. This feels super tight and I can't move it at all. But now if I do this, it's soft.
Yeah.
So that was the problem.
That's so much better.
That's how you're supposed to use the jack, unlike the other time.
Oh, yeah.
Tree sperm.
Tree sperm.
Tree sperm.
Wow, that really worked.
This whole side is like that, and if you look at this side, it's
nothing.
It's clean.
The beast is gone. Any enormous difference?
Put stuff away.
Okay. Like and subscribe.
Don't like or subscribe. I'll never post content like this again.
Yep. We're good.
60. So a lot has happened since I last pointed the camera at this car. You can see the problem with this shaft. It's seeping some sort of liquid. Oh my. Okay.